Hey, how are you? You alright? My face is gonna be today's canvas, and I'm going to do things to it with this Conspiracy palette. So there it is. It's kind of all over the place, like me. I feel frumpy. Zophie Fenducci. I'm a world famous artist that no one's ever heard of. I associate as a world famous artist. Zophie. So I believe I should start with moisturizing the canvas. I've seen people moisturize before. My routine mostly consists of wash face. For those of you that must know, I am 37 years old, 37 and a half next month. I still do half birthdays. Oh, please focus. Please focus on this glob of goo. What is this? Primer? Yeah, primer. I'm gonna go with this Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. So for foundation, I'm gonna use, is it Givenchy? Is that how you pronounce? That's a good start. I did not pick the color. I hope it's the right shade. Gotta get the ear. I don't know why, but they say you gotta get it. And I am using a wet sponge. I'm totally avoiding this spot right here. Maybe I should just do this. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this powder onto parts of my face. But again, this is not a tutorial. This is just, I'm just trying to art on my face. Put it in some spots. Maybe I shouldn't have put it in so many spots. So I want to start with the eyebrows. Just like really make them pop. Yeah. Maybe I should have went in with cheese dust instead. Cheese dust is the one next to it. So let's try that out. Yes. Just a little dibble dabble in there and then apply it to just the bottom of the eyebrow. Okay. Yeah. Oh no. I just realized something. I wanted to place this like on top of something and just kind of have the mirror hold up, but it's not. Like, look at this. I expect my mirror to stay in place. And like every palette does this. Look at that. Ta-da! I just found a major flaw in the Conspiracy palette. First world problems. It's painter's tape, so I think it makes sense. It's gonna block eyeshadow from going where I don't want it to go. Where I don't want it. Yeah. Food videos. I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here. I feel ridiculous. I don't know why, but I feel like this is a good spot for it. Get some yellow in there. Na, 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 na. Painting beyond the brow. I really want to dig back into this one. That color is not turning out right on my camera. This one. I like my brows, but once in a while, like this one time that's happening right now, I like to blend my brows into my face. Oh, I think I accidentally put my brush into Trisha. Damn it. That's okay. Trisha works. This is really uncomfortable on this side. I think I'm just gonna do the one side. I think I want to do a little bit of not a fact. Good. Bruise is what I was going for. I am now applying Trisha onto my face. Like, the cheese puff is hidden at this point, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and extend it. Is that too much? So, ow. I think I'm just gonna apply that yellow. Food videos. I'm gonna apply food videos. I should just do the whole face at this point. Just the whole face of eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna take the purple and bring it all the way to the eyebrow. Just don't look at this as makeup. It's just art. And art does not have to be good. Oh yeah, look at that. It's art. If you had dark circles before, you'll never notice them with this look. Next up, I'm dipping into cheese dust again. I would say this eyeshadow blends pretty well anywhere on the face. It's a swirly whirly sunset look. Gotta top it off with ranch. That has some shimmer in it. Ooh yeah, I like shimmer. Next up, some eyeliner. I don't know what I'm doing. I did not plan any of this. I'm just having fun. I almost feel like I should darken my eyebrow. I don't think there's enough eyeshadow. I think I need a darker color. I'm gonna go with my rides here, which is just black. Kind of blend it with Not a Fact, which is purple. And try something. This yellow, I feel like it should go a little further. I'm thinking instead of putting eyeliner on the top, I'm gonna put some on the bottom to connect with this wing. Really big eyelash, look at that thing. I'm gonna put some mascara on. I really should have cut this to size. I don't know where the scissors are. Perfect. Yeah. This is the look. It's beautiful. My eyelash glue is black, and I'm gonna use one that's clear or white or whatever color this is to apply the little gems. Oh my god, they don't have. Oh no, I'm making a mess. Oh. All right, this is gonna take a while. Just remember, this is art. Yikes. I arted today on my face. I just kind of went with it. There was no plan. Probably would have worked out better if there was a plan, but there wasn't. So this is what I ended up with. My eyes look like they're this big. Look at that. That's awesome. So yeah, that's it. The daily look, very elegant and simple, easy breezy and beautiful too. No, that might be too much. Yes, this is the thing that's too much. This is fun. That's it. that completes this video. Thank you for watching if you stayed to the end, and please subscribe or ring the bell as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.